Hello, people. You're welcome back to the channel. It's your one and only Lady Jackson, bringing you all the updates as the AD. Hi. Anyway, so today is Thursday. We're expecting a very nice pool party. It is what it is. And then the Monie-Point arena games, which was good. Of course, this and probably more you're gonna get in this video. Now guys, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell button beside for notification on every post I make. Don't forget to share comments down below and also share this video so that more people can get to see. Now of course, we're having our final poll on who you want the Jacksons to vote for. This particular poll is between Pere and Ilebaye. By 7 p.m. tomorrow, we're going to cast our votes, so do well to make sure your fave gets to be the one we vote for 30,000 votes. So let's not waste each other's time. Let's get right into it. Anyway, so first things first. At this point, we're at the ending of the game, and all I would say is I really don't care what anybody really feels, because life is what it is, you know? But Cece comes off as a very, very petty, jealous, envious human being. And what I mean by that is the way she talks about is like, for her, she knows everybody. She knows everybody, but she does not know herself. Now, what do I mean by that? You would see her in conversations talking about, oh, she knows this person's true attitude, this person's true color, this and that. They were having a conversation in the lounge before going for the Monie-Point games. And here she was, her and Adekunle were having a specific conversation. He was talking about how people were playing games in the house and, you know, people are not really being their true self. And she was like, I know people. Have you seen me in my season? I know people. It's because I don't really talk much. And that's how I know that Doyin is a fake friend. Doyin's friendship with me was very fake. She could not even hide it for too long. I could see her for who she truly is. People are just acting up and doing their stuff, but I know them exactly. And here was Adekunle talking about that if people were really faking it, it is difficult when you are under pressure to even hide your true colors in 2 months. Now, this is him pointing out that you can fake it for up to 30 days, but you cannot in 2 months. But Cece was very adamant to what she was saying. And I'm like, you know what? Whatever level of bitterness you're having towards people, just keep it to yourself. If and when you get out of the house, people tell you, people are, you know, your real people tell you how you behave, then you might really know all this nonsense you're doing is rather very vile and dirty. Because I don't want to start coming off sexist as a lady. No, I don't want to, but no. Let's just be honest. No matter how I really like her vibe and stuff, I would not be a serious, genuine friend with somebody like Cece. Just what it is. Now, I think, if I'm not mistaken, this might be the last Monie-Point games, if I'm not mistaken, right? And the housemates were called into the arena where Big Brother paired them in twos. I think it was Pere and Ceec, Adekunle and Ilebaye, Cece and Cross. Now, the housemates were giving a maze where they were going to be blindfolded. They had to pick some blue balls and bring to the starting point. And, you know, the housemates had to do what they needed to do. But to be honest, at the point I started laughing. So Big Brother told the ones to be, you know, blindfolded to get up. I think it was Pere, Ilebaye, and Cross. They stood up. Rather, they later sat down, and then their opposites, their members, like their teammates, came and blindfolded them. And so the first pair was Pere and Ceec. So he started from the starting point, walked, and at a point I was wondering what Ceec was really doing, because she kept shouting, Pere, to your left hand side. And while we were watching, you know, like when somebody's opposite you, their position of standing would mostly be the opposite of how you are. So your right is their left, your left is their right. So when she would tell him, to your left, I'm like, Auntie, this is right. What are you saying? Please don't give me headache this morning. And that's why Pere just kept complaining. Mercy, what are you saying? Please wait. See, at some point I was like, okay, after all, Big Brother had said that the person with the shortest time gets to win the most coin. So next we had Ilebaye and Adekunle. Now for Adekunle, that I thought, like, let me just be honest, I thought their pair would be the best, but I was shocked by the game they played because Ilebaye thought it was rest. I don't know whether she was, the way she was bumping into the maze and almost destroying things. It was as though she was fighting wrestling. Adekunle would be like, oh, take 2 steps. This girl will leap. She would leap and boom, she would smash on something. At some point, when she tossed and pushed off the starting point basket, I thought people that was going to deduct points or disqualify them. But it seems like, according to the rules of this particular last game by Monie-Point, everybody gets to win something. So after that, I think Cross and Cece were the last, right? Yeah, Cross and Cece were the last. And then when they were done, Big Brother gave each of them coins. I'm thinking Ilebaye, I got it mixed up. I know that Pere and Ceec's own coins were highest. That's about 4 coins or more. And then that of Ilebaye and Adekunle were seemingly the lowest. But I cannot remember what exactly the number of coin was for Cross and what's her name? Cece. Yeah. And I think their own game was really, really good. But it is what it is. The thing is, that game was kind of funny and I loved it. I guess that's all I have for you on that particular part, right? But then tomorrow's 29th, Abby. Tomorrow's the D-Day. Oh my God. It'll be the Housewives of Lagos. It's like these people are supposed to employ me to come and be doing for them, the voice over of their Housewives of Lagos. So, guys, I'm going to be bringing you that update. So, you need to stick around. Like, come on. You have no choice. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Voting lines end tomorrow at 10 p.m. So you need to choose your winner. By 10 p.m. tomorrow, it has been decided. Anything we want after that, nothing will happen. So our votes will be casted by 7 p.m. Make sure you go to the poll and choose who you want to win your Big Brother Naija show. Now, I must say this. I am so grateful and thankful that you guys come around here to watch our videos, share comments down below, and we get to drag each other. It gives me so much joy. I cannot wait to continue this with you guys in the Housewives of Lagos and then the Big Brother Titans coming soon. So, of course, without further ado, I'll see you on the next one.